Good day, little scientists. Today we are going to be experimenting a volcano eruption. Always remember, safety first. To start it off, we are going to need a board as a base for our volcano. Then you need a bottle as a core of the volcano. So when we got the bottle, we need to place it down in the middle of the board and place a tape to stick it to the board. Build the body of the volcano. You will need a bunch of these scratch papers and crumple them into a ball and surround the bottle with these paper balls and stack them up until it reaches the top. Now we have a pile of crumpled paper. It almost looks like a volcano now. We are going to need these strips of paper cut by the scissor and put it on the side of the body sideways or slant. After putting down all the paper strips, we now have our volcano. To make it look like an actual volcano, the next step we have to do is apply paint on it.
A few moments later.
So we are done painting with the volcano, and wow, it does look like a real volcano now. The ingredients we need for the eruption are vinegar, soapy water, food coloring, and finally baking soda. Now for the finale, I'm going to pour in the vinegar just like this, slowly but carefully. Slowly. There we go. And the soapy water. And the food coloring. Just like that. And now we need this funnel for the baking soda. So I'm gonna pour it like this, like so. Oh, there we go. It's happening. Oh my gosh, it's happening. How fascinating. Wow! How beautiful! It's so good to watch. Wow! So beautiful! Wow! Would you look at that? And it looks like it's not yet done. Wow, that's so fascinating. And it's getting bigger. Wow. That's so cool. Wow. Oh, it got even bigger. Oh. Wow, it's so fascinating. Wow, it got even bigger.